Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious banana bread using your rice cooker. First, mash 3 ripe bananas thoroughly in a bowl. Then, in a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This simple method makes baking accessible and fun, even without a traditional oven. Let's get started with these basic steps. Now let's combine our wet ingredients. Add 1 large egg, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to your mashed bananas. Mix these well until fully incorporated. Next, gently fold your dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Stir just until no streaks of flour remain. Overmixing can lead to tough banana bread, so be careful. This step is crucial for a moist and fluffy result. Once your batter is ready, pour it into the lightly greased rice cooker pot. Make sure the pot is evenly coated to prevent sticking. Close the lid and select the white rice or cake setting if your cooker has one. If not, the standard cook cycle works perfectly. The cooking time will be approximately 45 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Patience is key here. After cooking, let your banana bread rest in the rice cooker with the lid open for about 10 minutes. This helps it firm up before removal. Then, carefully invert the pot onto a wire rack to fully cool. Slice and enjoy your perfectly baked, moist banana bread. It's a fantastic treat for breakfast or a snack. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.